you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, long time no see. I know I haven't uploaded in about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks now at this point. So, today I figured I would do kind of a little chit chat, get ready with me, and kind of update you on what's going on and why I haven't been filming as much, and sit down and talk to you guys, because even though I'm new here to YouTube, I still miss sitting down and actually doing these videos. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just go ahead and hit that button down below before you leave, and let's just go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and pin back my hair. I have a class to go to for work, so I figured I would just get up and kind of get ready early so I can sit and film with you guys. So I'm going to start off with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, as always. I just love this stuff so much, and especially right now because my skin is acting up because I live here in Florida, so we just got over our little cold spell that was going on, and now it's warming up and my skin is just all over the place. A couple things. I finally changed my background, took down all the Valentine's Day stuff. I'm kind of playing around with how I want it, so you may see it change here and there just depending on kind of what I want to tweak on it. But next I'm going to take my Catrice Prime and Fine Anti-Shine base, and I'm going to put that in my T-zone just where I get oily. Figured I wouldn't do too crazy of a look today just because I am going to a class and I don't really care to get all fancy for those, just because I'm only there for a few hours. So I figured I'd just do something simple just so I could sit on here and chit chat with you guys. So for foundation today, I'm going to use my Nars Radiant Long Wearing Foundation. And to be honest, this is really the only thing that matches me right now just because I did get a spray tan. I don't know if you can really tell, but I did get one. So this is really the only foundation I have that matches right now just because I haven't gone back out and got any. But if you guys haven't noticed, I did change my hair. It's a little frizzy right now just because I did just get out of the shower and it dried, but I will curl it. But I am lighter. My roots are still dark, but I just go down into a nice light brown, which I love. I was trying to go back to my natural color just because I did used to have a nice like light medium brown hair. And I just started messing around with it, and I just kept going darker and darker, and it just got to a point where I was like, do not want black hair. I want my natural back so bad. So I finally took the step to getting it back, and I'm so happy that I did, and she did such an amazing job. So I'm just going to take my L'Oreal sponge, as always, and just blend this into my skin. But let's just go ahead and start talking about why I haven't been on here. Like I said, I live in Florida. So right now here in Florida is season for us. So we rely on snowbirds and vacationers to really come down, and just the winter time is where our income is at because we rely so much on them because they bring in so much. So of course, with me being a hairstylist and working at a salon, we rely on them. So it's been super busy right now because season really starts to peak in February. So of course we're only about 2-3 weeks into February right now, so it's getting busy, and I've only been able to have one day off here recently until these last few days. So now that I finally have a day off to sit down and film, I am just pre-filming like crazy and trying to get stuff done because it's hard when you only have one day off to try to film and do everything else that you have to do, because I usually work until about 6 o'clock at night. So it's really hard to get stuff done once you get off work, and I go in pretty early. So now that I have some days off, I am just going to film like crazy for you guys because I have so many fun and interesting videos. I'm definitely going to do the mixing all my foundations together. I'm super excited to do that, so you guys will see that soon. And then I have a huge bag of goodies in here to try out for you guys. I have some high-end, some drugstore. Super excited. So I have not touched this bag at all because I'm going to do first impressions for you guys. So that will definitely be coming soon. Just noticed I needed to back up a little bit, so that's why I kind of moved. But I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm just going to put that in my normal areas. So if you guys don't ever see me uploading on here, I'm always on my other social medias, mostly on Instagram and Snapchat. I do get on Twitter quite a bit, but just more of those. So if I'm not on here and you guys still want to stay up to date with me, definitely go check those out. I list all my information down below and at the beginning of the videos. So definitely go check those out, and you just follow my life more that way, just because I'm always posting on there. Right, I'm just going to take my sponge and blend that out. I definitely have quite a bit planned and ready to film for you guys. But if there is absolutely anything certain you want to see, just let me know down in the comments below, because I'm always up for ideas. I'm always having my friends and family tell me, oh, I want to see this, or oh, you should do this. So I definitely take all video ideas into consideration and definitely try to plan videos for them. I know I definitely would like to do maybe some fashion videos, just because fashion is a big part of me as well, not just makeup and hair, but definitely fashion. So if you guys want to see like easy outfits or cheap and affordable outfits while still looking good, just let me know and I will definitely get some of those filmed and go out and find some things for them. Alright, so I'm just going to take my Anastasia contour kit and I'm going to set underneath my eyes and down my nose with this. I just really think that this helps brighten up my face, especially because I'm always tired and I want to cover my dark circles. Now I'm just going to set the rest of my face with my Airspun loose face powder. So I had recently, actually it was over Christmas, I had got a new camera and some equipment for it, and I've tried filming on it once. And I love the quality of it and I definitely want to use it more, but I can't find a good editing software that I like. I know eventually down the road I'm going to definitely get a MacBook, just because I do use iMovie. I used to use it in school and I use it on my phone. So I'm pretty used to it, but I just don't have the time right now to be going and getting a MacBook. So if you guys know of any editing softwares for Windows that I can use at the moment until I go and get my MacBook, just let me know, because I really want to use my camera. I just haven't been able to yet, just because I haven't found a software that I truly like, and I compare everything to iMovie, so that's kind of the hard part right there. So definitely down below in the comments if you guys know of any good editing softwares, please definitely let me know so I can start filming better quality videos for you guys. Alright, so I went ahead and just did my brows off camera, just because they do tend to take me a little bit longer. I'm sorry if you can hear that. That is my washer, because I'm currently trying to get laundry done while doing everything else. But for contour today, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape palette, and I'm going to take that middle shade Desert right here, and I'm going to contour with that. I'm just going to take my stippling brush and blend this out. I feel like now that I have this lighter hair, it makes me look so much tanner. And I think I definitely need to go a shade lighter on my eyebrows. I know it still kind of matches my root, but I just want to go one shade lighter probably. So I might make that transition here soon. Alright, so for bronzer, I'm going to take my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. Just bronze up my face with it. So I cannot believe that I am already almost at 100 subscribers. I've officially been on for 3 months, and it's just crazy watching my channel grow, and I love it so much, and I love interacting with other YouTubers and adding them on Instagram and just seeing their journey and supporting each other, and then even meeting people that don't do YouTube and they comment on my videos. It means so much to me, and it's just hard to believe that I'm already almost at 100, so definitely keep spreading that word. I just love interacting with everyone and talking to you guys and seeing your comments, and it's so awesome. Definitely when I get more people on here, I want to start doing giveaways. That's one thing that I'm most excited about, is doing that, and I cannot wait to see where all this goes. And you know, going into YouTube, I never looked at it as going in for the money or anything like that. I looked at it more as meeting new people, interacting with everyone, you know, just talking about makeup and having fun, and I love doing it so much. And that's when it sucks when I can't sit down because of work and do it, just because I'm so busy. So that's why I try to definitely, when I get days off, pre-film for you guys so that I can at least edit throughout the week and still get videos up. Alright, I'm going to take that same bronzer and I am going to throw that on my eyelids just because I'm keeping it simple, but I don't want my eyelids to be too bare. So I can't wait to try out all these new products that I have found for you guys. And even if I'm not on here filming, I'm still trying out products so I can let you guys know at the end of the month what I liked and what I didn't like. So keep that in mind. I will definitely always keep you guys updated. If there's anything certain you would like me to try out, just let me know down below in the comments and I will definitely go get that. I love trying out new things and testing out the reviews for you guys and just seeing how everything works. Alright, so I went ahead and did my eyeliner and lashes off camera really quick just because I feel like you guys have seen me do that a bunch of times here and I didn't want to bore you. But I used my usual, the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and then the Essence Volume Styles 18-Hour Lash Extension, and then I used the Eylur number 115 lashes. So for blush, I'm going to use the NYX Pink the Town blush, which is always my go-to blush. So I'm going to take that and apply to the apples of my cheeks. So I've recently been addicted to re-watching all the reruns of Fixer Upper. I absolutely love that show, and it's just crazy to look back at their old ones and watch them all over again. So I've really been enjoying that. So that's like my downtime at night, is watching that and having a glass of wine, and then of course The Bachelor that's now on. I cannot believe it's almost over, and I've been loving it. I think Ari is adorable. Next I'm going to take my Smashbox Spotlight palette and I'm going to take this middle shade right here from the Pearl palette and highlight my cheekbones and underneath my eyebrow with that. You can definitely tell which shade I use the most out of here. I need to get another one just because that shade is starting to run low and it is absolutely one of my favorites. Wouldn't be a video without it. Alright, so to finish this look off, I'm going to take my Rimmel London Cake Collection lipstick in shade 14 and just put that on my lips really quick. This is always a lipstick when I never know what to wear. I always reach for this one. That's why it's so low. Like, there's nothing left to it pretty much. I need to get a new one. Alright, so I'm going to go finish up my hair really quick and I will be right back. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I enjoyed sitting down and finally being back on camera and being able to talk with you guys and film a video. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!